Finally, today we have our first real look related of the Google Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL. In the first time, Google will try to give tough co-emption to the Samsung by giving their three flagship phones in a very affordable price. So you can say that the Google Pixel 9 is the most affordable phones in 2024. When we talk related, the design, Google will decide to use the same design in the Google Pixel 9 which he used in the Pixel 8. But there are few changes, like camera visor doesn't extend all the way towards the edges. Now it stays on the body, which looks a bit more premium. Side of the phone is looking glossy. On the camera, we have matte finish on it, as you know non-pro models. If you have two camera, whatever, you use iPhone, you use Samsung, and Google, you always have two camera in the non-pro models. So main wide sensor along with the ultra wide angle sensor in the Pixel 9. Now, if we're talking about the Google Pixel 9 Pro and the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL on the back off the both phones, we have three camera on the front. We have a very premium display design of the Google flagship. The screen size of the Pixel 9 Pro XL is 6.9 inch and the screen size of the Pixel 9 Pro is 6.5 inch. And as you know, Samsung Galaxy S24 series launched this year, and S24 lineup come with many AI features. But now Google is preparing some powerful AI features for the Pixel 9 series, and the Pixel 9 series come with Tensor G 4-chip and its customized version of the Exynos 2400. So it's all, if you like my video, give a thumbs and subscribe and follow me on Instagram.